It's officially summer and I am very excited to share with you the latest promo code. And also we have a mini unboxing here, and this actually I purchased when I was still in my gold status because I wanted to get my gold birthday gift. So this is going to be a quick and easy unboxing. And as you could see, I just showered. My hair is not dry yet. It's because I had to make this snappy. My brother with my sister-in-law is coming here, you know, just to catch up because we haven't seen them for a few weeks now. And so I think he said he's arriving here in like 30 minutes. So let's get this box open. I'm very excited. So in my recent video before this one, you see that I have my silver welcome gift. I actually ordered this before that, and let's see, I ordered something really small hoping that I'll get the Mother's Day packaging. So we will see. No Mother's Day packaging. I just have the classic white box, but I got this decorated box right here. Actually looks really good. You know, I heard some of you would like to frame this, and I think it's worth framing. It's beautiful, and the Dior logo right here is actually embossed. So yep, this is such a pretty box, and it's all over. The print is all over. Look at that. Would be nice if they have the matching envelope as well, but this is gorgeous. By the way, if you are new here, it's Christine, your Artsy Momsy, and in this channel, I am very dedicated to helping you maximize your Dior beauty shopping experience. So if you love Dior beauty and anything crafty, please subscribe because you don't want to miss any of those great Dior deals. And actually, today I have some promo code for Canada, UK, and a lot in the US. There's a lot of updates that happened with the gift with purchases, so you don't want to miss that. And with that, let's open this because I am very excited to finally see my birthday gift. I know it's been almost 2 months already since my birthday. So, and oh, by the way, this box is a little different because it opens up this way, which I actually love. Look at that. I'm telling you, Dior is making it impossible for us to throw away anything. It's like they just have to make everything beautiful. And as usual, I have my generic message here that I like to put. Hello, gorgeous. And I'll just, oh, that's different. So I didn't open it yet, but I guess it ripped on the side already. So look at that. And let me show you the item I ordered. I told you I just got this because of the birthday gift, and I just ordered this. This is my favorite brush. It is the eyeliner. It is the eyeliner brush. It's really good, so I got this so I could use it for my light color palette, because the one that I already have, which I received as my first platinum gift, I use it for darker palette. So this one, this is super precise, guys. Hopefully it's the same, because I think the original one has like darker brush. This one is lighter, and this is, if you're curious, this is number 24, and I highly recommend it if you like using your palette for your eyeliner. This is awesome. So that's the item I got. And let's see, you know what, I think they forgot to give me my samples, but that's okay. Here's my birthday gift, and if I'm not mistaken, this is still the same one. Again, this is gold birthday gift, and oh, ta-da! Love it, love this set. Oh my gosh, I've seen this from a lot of you that already got it. So I have here the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. Love that little ribbon, looks gorgeous. And this travel jewelry case. And I love this. I think they put good attention to detail here, because look at this. We have here where you could poke your earrings. It has holes. And then we have here for maybe bracelet or your necklaces or rings, like, you know, just insert them there. And a lot more here. So I feel like anytime they will come up with jewelry case, I'll probably have to get it. I don't have a lot of jewelry, but I think it's a great, these are great collector items. This is super cute, and I'm very excited to use it. I only have a few jewelry, but I think it's awesome to bring with me on vacations. Alright, that's it with our mini unboxing. Now let's move on to our gift with purchases or promo codes. And let's start with Canada. With your minimum purchase of $150, you'll receive this pouch. Super cute. Some of you add strap right here to make it into a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag, and I think it looks awesome. And this is with your promo code BRIDE25. Let me double check. Okay, oh sorry, so the promo code is Dior BRIDE25, minimum purchase 150 Canadian dollars, and you'll receive this beautiful pouch. There you have it. So you could close it, but if you close it, you won't be able to put as much. And it has like a weird, I wish they made this a little longer so it doesn't look as weird. But yes, that's our promo code in Canada. Fortunately, we only have one. And now in the UK, we have two promotions. So first, this is a little sometimes when the promo codes are terrible, I don't want to like give them to you, but for your minimum purchase of $200, no promo code, and you'll receive the Octobuddy, Dior Octobuddy phone accessory, and it's similar to this one. It's super convenient for me to have this, but you could get this in Amazon. I think it's $7 to $10, so it's super affordable. So if you don't want to spend $200, just find something like this in Amazon, and it's more affordable that way. But here's the good news. If you order any La Collection Privé fragrance, you will receive a stationery set. And it looks like to me this is like it's a memo pad with 3 pencils. I thought this looks super cute. I don't know about you, but anything stationery, I love them. So this you could stack with the other promotions. So if you have La Collection Privé and also spend $200, and by the way, when you spend $200, you have to have at least one makeup product, and then you will also receive the Octobuddy. So if you like those gifts and you're buying any La Collection Privé fragrance anyway, then this would be a great deal for you. And yes, no promo code. Now sticking with stationery, this is an updated promo code, and I am actually really liking this one. This is, I would say, one of the best value for your money. This is in the US. Promo code is Dior Luxe, and that's with your minimum purchase of $130, and you will receive this notebook. So if you've seen the Dior notebooks, like in the Dior boutique website, notebooks are at least $100. So this one, to get it as a gift with purchase, is an awesome deal. So there you have it. That's our first promo code in the US. And now let's move on to some promo codes from our recent masterclass. So coming back, and I think for those who waited, good news, the Dior Mother's Day pouch is back, and you could also get it with the Dior J'adore phone strap. When these gifts with purchases came out, like the Mother's Day pouch, I think you have to spend at least $200 just to get the pouch. Same thing with the phone strap. When it first came out, you have to spend $200 just to get the phone strap. So this is an awesome deal. I think it is an awesome deal. Minimum purchase $175, and your promo code is Summer Scent $148. Okay, still a masterclass promo code. This time is Summer Scent 25. You will receive 2 deluxe sample of La Collection Privé fragrance. It's the I don't know how to say it really. Bois Talisman, if that's correct, and Dior Riviera with a prestige pouch. Now I haven't seen this pouch yet actually. I know it was here before, but I really haven't seen it. So if any of you have one of these, good news, you could actually share now in my community tab any photos that you want to share with me, your recent Dior purchases. I would love to see them all there. So please go to my community tab after watching this. If you have any of these gifts with purchases, please feel free to share there. So all of our Dior Beauty lover friends right there could see them too. Alrighty, next promo code. Now, the next 1, 2, 3 promo codes are all new updates. So meaning these are old promo codes that's already been there, but now with new gift with purchase. So first one is Rediscover 25 with minimum purchase of $130, and you'll receive this Dior Star keychain. This promo code used to be the J'adore pouch. So if you wanted that, I'm so sorry, it's no longer available. But I think this one is also a great deal. And whenever the minimum purchase is at around $100, $130, even $150, I think those are awesome. Because it seems like they're just putting up the minimum purchase up there. So I think this one is great. Another one that is awesome, like they combined them before, you know, these are like expensive. I laugh because in the UK this is $200. So in the US still minimum purchase $175, Dior Tips 25. So before the Dior Tips 25 is with the denim pouch. So I'm sorry if you missed that, but now you could get a phone accessory set. So you get the phone charm or the phone wristlet and also the Octobuddy. So you have a whole set. If you're buying a new phone, it's a great girly accessory for you. And next, another update, but now this one they put the minimum purchase up because it used to be, I believe, $150. Now with your minimum purchase of $200, promo code Dior Refill, and you'll get the bucket pouch with 2 deluxe sample of Capture products. And these deluxe samples are actually a little bigger than usual. Let me see if I could find mine. I think it's in the bathroom, but I believe each one of these is at least 15 ml, so it's a good size. And if you've seen my previous video, this bucket pouch are awesome for summer getaways. You know, just add a strap and it could be your poolside bag or the one that you could use when you're strolling the beach. So it's an awesome gift with purchase. Okay, next one. Now this has been here before, but I would say this is one of the best value promo code. So in case you missed it before, this is still available, LCP Cart 25, and the minimum purchase is only $130. Also comes with a pouch, so that's awesome, and a one La Collection Privé fragrance. You know, these fragrances are very expensive, so to get them for free, I think it's awesome. Because even these deluxe samples, they are on sale on the website. I think 5 of them is $235. That's very expensive. So if they are available and you're looking forward to purchase any of this, like you want to try it before purchasing a full-size bottle, this is a great option. Another one, this has been here, LCP SMMER 25, LCP Summer 25, and you'll get a black drawstring pouch. I haven't seen this yet. I'm actually very curious. So if any of you got this already, please go to my community tab and share a photo there. Please, please, please. I love that they opened the community tab for all the subscribers, because now it's easier. I don't have to give my email address for you to send me photos. You could just go straight there and post the photos, your unboxings, or your recent Dior purchases. I would love to see them all. So if you're not subscribed yet and you want to share your favorite Dior Beauty products, please subscribe and go to the community tab and share it to all our Dior Beauty lovers out there. Next one, and I think this is the last one. Minimum purchase 130. And I think of all the gift with purchases, this has the best value. Promo code Beauty Lover. And you'll get a Dior set that is with a fragrance and a hand lotion, plus a black makeup pouch. 3-piece gift. If you are a silver, gold, platinum member, you'll get 2 additional gifts at checkout. So that's total 5 gifts for your purchase of $130. I think, like I've said, of all the promo code right now, this one has the best value for your money, especially if you buy these Dior gift with purchases for regifting, because you could regift the Dior set by itself and also gift the makeup pouch by itself. Plus, you could either add those 2 other deluxe samples, or you could gift them separately. So there you have it. Those are our latest promo code for the summer. I hope you are all having a great weekend. Next week is the last week of school for my kids, so I'm very happy to have a break from one is waking up early and to preparing lunch, because sometimes it's just tiring. You know, I love doing it for my kids, but it could be tiring. Alrighty, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you're not subscribed yet, again, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. Share your latest Dior purchases, or even like amazing deals that you find online. Please share them in the community page. And also, of course, you want to subscribe because you don't want to miss any of these great Dior deals. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.